विजाग में ऋषिकोंडा पहाड़ियों के बीच बसा भव्य ऋषिकोंडा पैलेस राजनीतिक विवाद का विषय बन गया है। टीडीपी ने महल के निर्माण को लेकर वाईएसआरसीपी प्रमुख और पूर्व एपी सीएम जगनमोहन रेड्डी के खिलाफ ताजा गोला बारूद पाया है। टीडीपी ने जगनमोहन रेड्डी पर सार्वजनिक धन का इस्तेमाल अपनी विलासिता के लिए करने का आरोप लगाया है। उन्हें संदेह है कि इसकी कीमत 700 करोड़ रुपए से अधिक है। विवाद में उतरते हुए कांग्रेस एपी प्रमुख वाईएस शर्मिला ने भी अपने भाई पर निशाना साधा और न्यायाधीश की निगरानी में जांच की मांग की है। इस बीच वाईएसआरसीपी ने दावा किया है कि इमारत का निर्माण सही भावना से किया गया है और इसका इस्तेमाल सरकारी उद्देश्यों के लिए किया जाएगा। टीडीपी ने दावा किया है कि इस घर में लगाए गए बाथटब की कीमत 40 लाख रुपए है। आरोप लगाया कि पत्नी की इच्छा के लिए 500 करोड़ रुपए का महल बनवाया गया है। इसमें उत्तर पूर्व में समुद्र तट का नज़ारा दिखता है। अकेले बाथटब की कीमत 40 लाख रुपए है। फिर से उन्होंने गरीबों और भिखारियों का मजाक उड़ाया है और गरीबों को उनके घर से वंचित किया है।
Yesterday, the entire world was stunned looking at the visuals of the Rishikonda Palace, which was built by the former Chief Minister Jagan Reddy. The kind of luxuries that were provided for the former CM in that Rishikonda Palace were mind-boggling. You've seen gold-plated taps, huge bathtubs, toilets which were in the size of a two-bedroom apartment, costly floorings, furniture, lavish presidential suites. So all facilities which were, fit for an emperor or a king were, made ready for Jagan Reddy for his own comforts. This is a shame on you, Jagan Reddy, to spend crores of rupees, public money, on your own luxuries. You've always been speaking about poor people, a battle between poor and the rich. You've been projecting yourself to be, a person who is always with the poor. But what are these visuals in Rishikonda, Mr. Jagan Reddy?
People are saying that that's a 500 crore palace. No, it is 700 crore palace because they have taken out a resort. Earlier there was a resort there. It is worth 200 crores. It was taken out. It was demolished and they started constructing that palace at Rishikonda. I say it's an environmental destruction. See, and spending huge amount on government buildings, I don't think it will serve any purpose. Now, you see, once the government has changed, the maintenance of that structure is very costly. It is not, I don't think the government can maintain that structure because it's such a costly. So, that what Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, the former CM, has done is a blunder. Now we will take the opinion of the public, Visakhapatnam public, and whatever is best we will try to do with that building. So in my personal opinion, keeping it as a government guest house, it will not serve any purpose. Because they are saying, YCP people are saying that the guest house would be better, it is maintained in such a way so that the PM or president or governor, they will be coming visiting. But I don't think, because the already Navy INS Daga has a guest house where the Prime Minister, President and all, they will be coming there. So they will be taking care. But this one is better if we can give it for some other purpose, where the government gets income. It is my personal opinion. Anyway, we will take opinion of the general public, Visakhapatnam public, and we will take a decision on that.
About Rishikonda Palace, it has come to light that it is the people's money that was spent on Rishikonda Palace, and this is not excusable. If it is the people's money, then the people should know why it was used. And I think if an inquiry is conducted into this by a sitting judge, the truth will come out. And if action needs to be taken, it needs to be taken, because the YCP government had taken a debt to the tune of 8 lakh crores of rupees. And spending money like this irresponsibly is not excusable by the people.
About that Rishikonda constructions, we constructed in true spirit of better buildings to rule from Vizag, and that buildings should be used for any government purpose. But that buildings are belonging to government of AP, not the buildings are not for Jagan Mohan Reddy or YSRCP. That buildings what actually constructed and beautifully with very good architecture in true and good spirit for the government of AP. So here onwards they can be used for anything. So it is their choice for the better purpose of whenever President of India comes or Prime Minister will come. Such good buildings are not available in Vizag. That is true spirit of and the benefit of Andhra Pradesh only we did. And you are playing politics now. This is high time to deliver to people. Already you won with extreme bumper majority. Now it is high time to deliver people of Andhra Pradesh what you committed in your manifesto. But in spite of that, you people are playing politics. You want to malign Jagan Mohan Reddy. What will you will get? You are diverting the people's attention.